BreathFIX Kids Mouth Tape. Step 1. Clean and dry around the lips. Clean and pat your lips dry. Make sure there's no oil, sweat, or cream. Step 2. Peel the backing paper. Pull the tape apart to remove the backing. Step 3. Stretch and apply. Stretch the tape slightly, 20 to 30%, and place it around the lips. Press softly to activate the adhesive. The tension created by the stretch gently keeps the mouth to be closed. This ensures your child breathes through the nose and gets a deep and restful sleep. And to remove, pull the tape from left to right, inside out. If sticky, dab with water or use a damp cloth. Start with just 10 to 15 minutes during the day, like when your child is drawing, reading, or watching TV. Make sure they're breathing properly through their nose during this time. Once they get used to it, you can slowly increase the duration and start using it at night.